Welcome to the great state of Iowa, where the winds blow and the sun shines. Today we're uncovering the top roofing materials for your Iowa home. So get ready to learn the ins and outs of roofing. First up, we have the classic Asphalt Shingles. Affordable, easy to install, and sporting a rainbow of colors and styles. They're the heart and soul of Iowa roofing, but keep in mind they might need a little more TLC and replacements compared to others. Now let's talk metal. Durable and long-lasting, metal roofs can outshine the competition. Plus, they're energy efficient, keeping your home cozy in winter and cool in summer. But be prepared to shell out a bit more for this sturdier option. Looking for something rock solid? Enter Slate Roofing. Tough as nails, this beauty can brave it all: rain, snow, even a dragon's breath. But beware, it's a bit of a splurge. Ready for a touch of European flair? Feast your eyes on clay tile roofing. Durable, fire-resistant, and a solid match for Iowan weather. So there you have it, fellow Iowans. Whether you want affordability or unmatched durability, these roofing materials have got you covered. Consider your options and pick the one that suits your home and style best. For quality craftsmanship and unparalleled service, give Schaefer Roofing a call at 515-231-8904. Secure your home with the best in the business. Contact Schaefer Roofing today and bid farewell to roofing worries. Until next time, keep your roof strong and your homes cozy.